do the shortcut key to pull up Cyrus, which is Alt-Command-C. I could type in the word spam, hit enter, and now it's just the up and down keys to find which one I want. And let's go for the most angry flavour. So, to unwelcome marketer, please take me off your email list. Not very angry, but I am no longer interested in your product. And then we could say, if you continue to email me, I will report you. And so now that's in my clipboard. I can go back to my mail program and I just paste that in. And there you go. So that's an example of a sort of more complicated snippet. But obviously we can do all sorts of things with Cyrus. So I set up a few. So we've got different email templates. So just a simple email template. Brings that in there. And if I wanted just to find my work stuff, there's my work addresses. I might want to say take the work address. Or I'll put my personal stuff, maybe put my phone number on. I don't know what sort of email I'm drafting here, but as you can see, it's quite easy for me to, as I am typing, so I could say my work email address is, bring up Cyrus, type in work email, hit enter, come back to my mail program, and I don't know, my home address is home address, put that in there. I want to put my phone number in at the bottom. There we go. That's a little demo of Cyrus. Thanks for watching. I hope you give Cyrus a chance to help you work smarter.